Brother, let's stop wasting time pretending. When a woman says she has zero interest in sex, you need to ask the crucial follow-up question. Zero interest in sex or zero interest in sex with you? That distinction is everything. The tough, uncensored truth is this: her libido is often a function of choice. If a high-status celebrity or that new confident guy at the gym could change her mind instantly, then the problem isn't her body, it's the script you've been running. If she never enjoyed it, even in the beginning, she likely saw sex as a transactional cost. She paid the toll to gain access to your security, provision, or commitment. Now that she has the goods, the job is done, and she feels her mission is accomplished. She might have tried to force it, telling herself, "He's a great guy, I'll grow into it." But chemistry is a harsh mistress. If she was high fire with someone else and cold with you, it's a fundamental connection mismatch. It happens, despite her honest attempts. This is the most common and fixable trap. She stopped because your perceived value in her eyes dropped. Your behavior, lack of structure, or comfort zone atrophy has extinguished that initial spark. She either buried that desire under pain, or she's looking elsewhere to rekindle it. Understand the pressure. Anxiety about performance, body image issues after kids, or comparison to the impossible standard of the internet. When you focus your attention externally, like watching adult films, she feels like she can't compete, and she shuts down. Intimacy is a muscle. If you replace genuine closeness with distraction, social media, food, or general comfort avoidance, that connection fades. You can't expect the pilot light to stay lit when the house is focused on separate digital screens. What did she find irresistible about you in the first place? You need to re-earn that attraction. If you've gotten comfortable and she's gotten complacent, she needs a reminder that the benefits you provide are earned, not guaranteed. If your approach is predictable, you are forgettable. Try disrupting the routine. If you are usually subtle, be assertive and direct. If you are usually direct, try introducing smooth, low-pressure intimacy earlier in the day. Get creative and change the script. What would make you more interested in having a more intimate relationship? This requires radical vulnerability, but if she's a decent partner, it will create a necessary safe space for truth. If you can't even have an honest, direct conversation about this critical topic, then the issue isn't sex. It's fundamental respect and communication. Until you fix the foundation, the roof will always leak, and nothing else will change. What you've learned today to reframe your actual relationship and how she views intimacy with you. Stop putting it off. The man who takes action is the man who gets answers, and more importantly, the man who gets results.